I just found a brand new AI tool that makes making viral videos easy, even if you have no editing skills. In fact, you could go from raw footage to creating a viral short literally with just 3 clicks using this tool. By the end of this video, you're gonna know exactly what that tool is, how you could use it, and 3 ways that you could start using it today to go viral for yourself or to help others go viral so you could charge them for it. Now that brand new AI tool that I'm talking about is going to be Submagic, and it's amazing because it allows you to do so many different things. For example, let's say that I wanted to add captions onto one of my videos. I literally just uploaded it here, and instantly I'm gonna be able to add captions and change what they look like or the format or any of that. Check this out. For example, my editor literally just sent me over these videos right here. Now, in the past, I would have had him add captions, but it takes him about an hour to add captions to a video that's a minute long. So instead, we can just drop this video into Submagic right here, and it will automatically add our captions. So we're going to go through, we're going to put this on here. We're going to choose language, English, multi-speaker theme, that's not for this, and translate captions, I don't need that right now. I just need the captions to be generated, which I just have to click generate, and this goes through and literally cuts the editing time down like crazy. Like I was saying before, this is only going to take 60 seconds to do this. In the past, it would have taken 60 minutes to do this because of the length of this video, and this just makes my life so much easier. In fact, it actually ended up finishing early, and as we could see, we could literally go through, we could change through a bunch of different styles that we wanted to. We could change all the colors. We could change the placement of this right here. We could come over here and trim things if we needed to, simply just by removing silences, removing bad takes, or being able to reset this. In addition to that, we could come over here. We could clean up the audio. We could add music. We could add in a cover here if we wanted to, or if we had a logo or a watermark or something like that that we wanted to add, we would be able to do that under brand right here. And under AI, you could see that we could do several other things. For example, we could correct the eye contact. We could clean the audio. We could generate a hook. We could add in magic B-roll. We could add in magic zooms, and we can remove bad takes. And what all these things are going to do is make it way easier for us to edit content and speed up the editing of the content. The value of this tool doesn't stop there. They have a bunch of other things that we could do here, but before I dive into that, I wanted to show you this over here, integrations. They have a bunch of different AI automations that you can set up. For example, you could set up when a video is added to your Drive folder, it can create a project. Once the project is ready, it will then upload it into the Drive. Or you could generate a video with HeyGen and then upload it into Submagic. Or maybe you want, when a video is added to a Drive folder, create a project. Once the project is ready, upload it to Instagram and Google Drive. There are several more. And then also, if you wanted to create one from scratch, you could do that with NANN or with Zapier. Or maybe let's say you have long form content and you want to cut it up into shorter content. You could do that right here. Literally just come over to YouTube, find the URL for a video that you want to do this for. For example, we could find my latest video about Gemini. We could come over here, we can click on this, copy the link address, come back into Submagic, paste this right here, and now this is going to allow us to cut this up into a bunch of viral clips. Now that does take a little bit longer to do. On average, it takes around 10 to 15 minutes, but again, like most things with Submagic, it actually ends up being done earlier than what it actually says it will. And then on top of that, we could come over here, click on videos, and you'll be able to see that we could then just edit clips here. For example, I have 2 clips for another video that I made on YouTube. I'm going to drop them in here, and you could see that we could very easily drop these in here and then begin to edit these things leveraging AI. For example, we could trim things, we could add captions in here if we wanted to, we could add in B-roll here if we wanted to, and there are so many other different changes that we can make to our content, all from just inside of here. Now, let's say that we wanted to come out of here. So we're going to leave without saving, and we are going to click on generate B-roll. What this is going to do is this allows you to upload content in. For example, we're going to upload this short again. We're going to click on generate captions, and then this is going to bring up the editing screen again, where we're going to be over here and bring us to this AI right here. Again, we can use this to add in B-roll. For example, I'm going to click this on, this is going to go through, and this is going to do this. I'm also going to have this generate a viral hook right here, and I'm going to have it clean up the audio because I always get a bunch of people commenting that the audio isn't good on my shorts. Now, what this is going to do is go through here and actually come up with a hook. And if we wanted to change it, literally just click regenerate and it will go through and create a different hook, and then we can change everything about it. Now, if we aren't focused on the hook right now, we can scroll down and we can see all of the different AI B-roll that this went through and created. In fact, all we had to do is come up over here under B-roll, and now you could see what B-roll this is actually going to be adding in. And if we wanted to, we could go through and search for more B-roll, we could search for GIFs, or we could search for images. For example, I talk about RPM here, and then it went through and actually added in something that shows that off. Or I talk about this here, and it'll go through and show things off. And we can see all the different B-roll that has been added in at each section here, right over here. And if we wanted to, we could just click on edit and we could change this. We could change the media, we could add in a zoom effect, and do all of this very easily. And again, if you've edited content before, you know how long it takes to come through and enhance audio, or to add in B-roll, or to trim things, or add in zooms. But now you can leverage AI to do all that stuff for you. And this brings up some pretty insane use cases. Now, before we dive into those 3 use cases that you could use this for today in order to make going viral easy for you and your clients, I wanted to remind you that you could go to the pinned comment below right now and get started with SubMagic today for free. In fact, you could try it out with 3 videos for free without even putting a credit card. Now, use case number 1 that I love using this tool for is going to be using this to create a bunch of clips from your long form videos. Now, if you remember earlier, I actually had this go through and create clips, and now we could see that there were 23 different clips selected, and we could go through here and we can improve these, or we can edit them, or we can do whatever we want with all these different clips. Now, I've used so many different clip making tools before in the past, and never did they give you 23 clips. This right here is pretty insane. And if we wanted to, we could also come over here and clip things manually. Now, you're probably wondering, Rob, where's the opportunity with this? Well, the opportunity is in 2 places. One, if you already create long form content, you can now cut that up and post it across YouTube Shorts, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, LinkedIn, X, and all the other platforms. This is going to allow you to increase your reach. For example, I've actually been doing this lately. If we come over to TikTok, we could see I created a new TikTok and it's already at over 110,000 followers. And the same exact thing with Instagram over here. My Instagram now is already over 27,000 followers. And the secret to me doing this is cutting up my long form content and then posting it. Now, if you don't have your own content to do this for, you could approach other content creators and begin to do this for them. And there are basically 2 strategies that you could use for this. One, you can make an agency that's a clipping agency and goes through and actually cuts up their long form content, define the viral parts, and then post it. Or you could do things like the clipping contest that they have going on, where big creators don't pay an agency, but instead they pay the people that are creating clipping accounts for them to help them go viral. Now, this brings me to opportunity and use case number 2, which is going to be taking advantage of the fact of how easy this tool makes it to add in B-roll into content. I cannot emphasize this enough. This task right here, adding in B-roll, takes an insane amount of time. It takes my editors hours to find B-roll for my content, both short form and long form, but since they started using SubMagic, that time has been cut down to a fraction. And again, you could use this for yourself to cut back on how long it takes you to create content so you can put out more content, or you can start an editing agency powered by SubMagic and powered by AI in order to edit way more content than anybody else. This is going to allow you to do 2 things. One, it's going to allow you to handle way more clients that you would have been able to before you knew about this tool. And then secondly, this is going to allow you to charge less money. And what does that allow you to do? Undercut everybody else. In fact, if you go over to things like Fiverr, you will be able to find that there are so many people looking for editors. There are so many people looking for people to cut up content, so many people to edit content, and SubMagic makes this easy to do. More importantly, kind of democratizes this whole thing because you don't have to be an expert at adding in zooms anymore, or adding in B-roll, or adding in captions, or knowing how to do any of this, because AI can do this for you. I mean, even if we come over here and look at something like generating a hook, you had to be an expert to be able to do that in the past. Or something like cleaning up audio, you had to be an expert with audio in the past, but now you don't, because AI can help you speed up the process and then offer this as a service to content creators, or put out content yourself. And now the third opportunity that this opens up and use case here is for you to be able to create your own page. For example, let's look at this. This page right here on YouTube is getting millions of views. In fact, they get over 13 million views every single month. Now, I get around 400,000 views a month on YouTube, and I make over $3,000 just from YouTube for those 400,000 views. So if we were to multiply that by 20, this channel is probably making somewhere between like $40,000 to $60,000 a month simply for uploading these shorts. Now, I want you to notice something about these shorts right here that keep going viral. These shorts and the long form content right here, he's not actually showing in the content. All of this content is AI generated. He is uploading these long form videos and then cutting them up into shorts right here. And guess what? Now you can do that same exact thing using a tool like Submagic. And again, this is what makes this tool so powerful. It allows anybody to spin up channels like this. You can make YouTube channels without showing your face that you'll then be able to monetize. And there are so many different niches for this. You could do this with horror stories. You could do this with sports. You could do this with educational content. You could do this with children's content. There's so many different opportunities. You basically just take your interest, take a tool like Submagic, and now you're able to create content without having to be an expert at editing or spending a lot of time editing content. So again, I would strongly suggest that you begin to use this tool, especially since you could try it for free and figure out whether or not this is something that you want to do. And again, you could use this to make your own agency. You could use this to create your own accounts. You could use this to expand your own accounts if you already have your own account. And the opportunities here are really endless for how you can use this tool to get back your time, increase your productivity, make better content, and ultimately be able to make some money with AI. Now, if you like this video, I'd strongly suggest you check out this video right here that walks you through 7 other free AI tools that you won't believe exist. I'll see you over there.